today, Jenny Diaries, and today my content is all about what's inside the box. Yes. Tapos of course, may premyo yung first 3 na makahula. Yung first 5 euro palipad, second 2 euro, and yung third 1 euro. Wala lang akong GCash, guys, kasi wala man akong GCash, so palipad lang. So, okay, maghula na kayo. Gusto ko sana magbigay ng hint, pero baka mahulaan nyo agad-agad, so mamaya na, okay. Inside the box is the most awaited, ano to siya, guys, pinaka inaantay ko talaga. I never expected na ang bilis ng proseso. So, ito, what's inside the box?
A few moments later.
Okay, ito na siya, guys. Maybe lingerie. Okay, so hulaan nyo na. So, may premyo ha. Ang unang makahula at yung first 3 may premyo. So, may premyo, of course, may premyo. Pero palipad lang siya. Okay? So, hulaan nyo na, guys. What's inside the box? Pink box. Okay. Hulaan nyo na. Guys, ito na. What's inside the box? Hulaan nyo na. Hulaan nyo na. What's inside the box? Okay, yung first, ulitin ko again, na may, of course, may premyo. So, magbigay ako ng hint. Baka may nakahula na, no? Hindi ko alam. Pero, sobrang, ano to siya talaga sa akin. As in, yung, parang, maano mo na talaga na, ma-feel mo na talaga na YouTube is real pag nasa kamay mo na to. Sige, alam nyo na to? Alam nyo na? May nakahula na ba? Chan! Alam nyo na, guys? Alam nyo na? So, ito! Dumating na siya. I never expected na, ano siya, darating siya for, ano lang, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Kasi, nag-email sa akin si Lolo last July 16. July 16. Kaya, dumating na siya. Dumating na talaga siya. Ang pinakaantay ng lahat na YouTubers na ito, si AdSense. Thank you, Lord. Dumating na siya. Kaya sana may nakahula, no? Sana may nakahula. So, eto na. Eto na. My Goggle AdSense arrived. My Goggle AdSense pin arrived. Finally, praise the Lord. And you know what, guys? We call it the golden mail of all the bloggers, of all the YouTubers. I guess this is our golden mail from Google AdSense. Thank you. I've been dreaming of this, guys. I've been dreaming of this. And now, dumating na siya, finally. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for all my friends, for my community. Thank you so much. Thank you. you know what, guys, what I've learned of Mark Fritz online, I don't know if andito siya ngayon, I don't know. He always remind us to claim. How to claim. He always remind us almost pag may ano siya, pag yung live niya Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, that if you really want something, just claim it, and then it shall be yours. It's Mark Online Fritz, yun ang palagi niyang sinasabi every time na may LS siya. So, thank you. So, ito na, my Google AdSense arrived today. Ito na. Thank you. I'm so happy today. I'm so happy and overwhelmed. As in, kasi ito talaga ang hinihintay ng mga YouTubers. Ito. So, I'm so happy. So, I hope makapag-grand LS na ako soon. Maybe before the year will end. So, planuhin ko muna kasi, kasi syempre work, tapos planuhin ko. I hope I will claim it and then it will be mine. So, I hope soon. And thank you so much. Thank you for all the support always, that you will always there for me, for my channel. You always support. So, and na monetize channel ako last June 6, and then Google AdSense, nag-email sila sa akin last July 16 for my Google AdSense pin. So, exactly 2 weeks lang talaga siya dumating na. And ang goal ko, hindi kasi ako nag-LS kasi when I started YouTube, so gusto ko na yung premiere. So, that's my goal na I hope ma-push through ko. So, I did it kasi with all your help, and then of course time management, because we have all our priorities naman, diba? So, thank you guys. Thank you for all the support, and here we go. This is it. So, thank you. And have a nice day and see you around. God bless us all, and thank you again. I'm so happy for my here. So, dumating na siya. Thank you. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na dumating siya after 2 weeks. So, eto na. So, thank you.